Hello, good morning everyone. In our previous session, we have already seen in the different types of the formula of correlation coefficient and regression. What is the regression coefficient? What is the regression line? So this is the example of regression line and regression coefficient. Example is performance rating X. We are given in the performance rating and experience, and we consider the performance rating is equal to X and experience is equal to Y. Calculate the regression line of performance rating on experience. Got it? First, we find the regression line according to performance rating on experience. So here we are given in the two values X and Y. The value of X is 23, 43, 53, 63, 73 and 83. And the value of Y is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here we are finding the regression line. Regression line we are finding performance rating on experience. Okay, so we consider performance rating is X and experience is Y. That means what? We are finding the regression line X on Y. Got it? Because performance rating is X and experience is Y. So हम कौन सी regression line consider करेंगे? Exactly the regression line of X on Y. In this question, we are given in the small values. Okay, so we use for finding the regression line, we have two regression coefficient. Okay, हमारा जब भी regression line हम find करते हैं, हमें two regression coefficients होना चाहिए. Okay, तो first we finding the regression coefficients. So the next column is y square. That means 5 square 25, 6 into 6 36, 7 into 7 49, 8 into 8 64, 9 into 9 81. And next is x into y. So multiply of x column into y column. 23 into 5, 115, 43 into 6, 258, 53 into 7, 371, 63 into 8, 504, 73 into 81, 73 into 9, 657, and 83 into 10, 8 to 30. And here we find the sum. So summation x is equal to 338, summation y is equal to 45, summation y square equal to 355 and summation xy is equal to 2735. So first we find the regression coefficient. If we are finding the regression line performance rating on experience, that means x on y. So we have the regression coefficient x on y and we write bxy. For example, in case the regression coefficient is y on x, okay, so we write byx. Got it? But here is the regression coefficient x on y, then we write bxy. And what is the formula? Formula is summation x into y minus summation x into summation y divided by small n. Small n is number of terms, whole divided by summation y square minus summation y whole square upon n, number of terms. Got it? So here, see here, y is the last variable. Okay, x on y. तो y हमने last में लिखा है. So in the denominator we write the terms of only y. Okay, we write only y. Got it? In case we write the byx, then in the denominator the term is only x. Got it? So we put all these values summation xy. So don't be confused. First you hide the summation. आपने समेशन को हाइड किया तो आपके पास कौन सा कॉलम होना चाहिए, x into y का। तो फर्स्ट वी मैक द कॉलम ऑफ x into y and after that sum of all these values. So we put values 2735 minus summation x into summation y. That means what? First the sum of values of x and second is sum of values of y. That means 338 into 45 divided by number of terms. Total number of terms is 6 and whole divided by summation y square. Summation y square, that means if you आपको confusion होता है तो first you hide the summation. समेशन को हटाओ और फिर चेक करो कि आपको कौन सी वैल्यू चाहिए, उसकी अकॉर्डिंग आपको अपना कॉलम बनाना है। Got it? So summation y square is equal to 355 minus summation y. So what is the value of the summation y? Summation y is equal to 45. So here we write 45 whole square divided by 6 because of in a formula we write the small n, that means number of terms. Solve these terms and we get 11.429. That means this is our regression coefficient x on y. Okay, here x bar is equal to summation x upon m, that means 338 upon x. See here sum of all these values, that means summation x is equal to 338 divided by number of terms 6. We get 56.33. Y bar is equal to summation y upon n. So y bar is what? 45. 45 divided by 6 is equal to 7.5. We have both x bar and y bar. So we find the regression line of x on y. Got it? So what is the regression line? First we say x. So the formula is starting from x. So we write x minus x bar is equal to bxy in bracket y minus y bar. Put all these values, x minus, what is the value of x bar? X bar is equal to 56.33. So we write here 56.33 is equal to bxy. Bxy what? 11.429. So we write here 11.429 and in the bracket y minus y bar. So the value of y bar is 7.5. So we write 7.5. Arrange this equation. If our question is x on y, so x is left side and other values are the right side. So here x is equal to 11.429 y minus 11.429 into 7.5 and this value is negative. So right side mein this value is converted into the positive form. So plus 56.33 and so we get the final regression line is x is equal to 11.429y minus 29.3875. So this is the regression line of x on y. But our question is given in the performance rating on experience. So here we write the performance rating on experience. The line is x is equal to 11.429y minus 29.3875. This is our final answer. Okay. The second example is find the regression coefficient of y on x for the following data. Got it? आपको regression coefficient find करना है y on x and you have already known that we have two types of regression coefficient. Got it? First is y on x and second is x on y. So here x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y is equal to 160, 180, 140, again 180 and 200. So let's start solution. Here first we write the number of terms. So here small n is equal to 5. X bar is equal to what? X bar is equal to sum of all these values, summation x upon number of terms. That means 15 by 5 is equal to 3. And we find y bar. Y bar, that means what? Sum of all the values of column of y. So y bar is equal to summation y upon n is equal to 860 divided by 5 is equal to 172. So we have x bar is equal to 3 and y bar is equal to 172. And we find the regression coefficient of y on x. So here we write the column of x, column of y, write all these values here. First column is, so before making the table, first you write the formula, because of according to your formula, आपको यदि फॉर्मूला याद है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही आपको टेबल बनाना है. गॉट इट. एक्स्ट्रा वैल्यूज को फाइंड करने से कोई मतलब नहीं. सो first we write the formula. Regression coefficient of y on x, byx is equal to what? Summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by what? Here we write the x. Last में हमने वेरिएबल यूज किया है x. So in the denominator we write summation x minus x bar whole square. Got it? So here our first column is x minus x bar. So here x bar is equal to what? 3. So 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 3 1, 5 minus 3 2. And our next column is y minus y bar. So what is the value of the y bar? Y bar is equal to 172. So here we write 160 minus 172 equal to minus 12. 180 minus 172, that means 8. 140 minus 172 equal to minus 32. 180 minus 172. So we write plus 8. And 200 minus 172. Then 28. So here we mark the column of x minus x bar and y minus y bar. After that we find the x minus x bar whole square. Because of in our formula we put the values of x minus x bar whole square. First you hide the summation. Please listen carefully. First you hide the summation. After that आप decide कीजिए कि आपको कौन सी टेबल बनानी है. So here x minus x bar whole square, that means what? Minus 2 whole square 4, minus 1 whole square 1, 0 0, 1 1, 2 square 4. After that again see here our formula is we have the values of x minus x bar, y minus y bar. So here we write in the column x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Here x minus x bar, here is the column y minus y bar column. So minus 2 into minus 12, 24, minus 1 into 8, minus 8, 0 into minus 32, 0, 1 into 8, 8, 2 into 28, 56. So here first we sum all these values. So summation x 15, summation y 860, x minus x bar obviously 0, y minus y bar 0, x minus x bar whole square, the sum of x minus x bar whole square equal to 10. Sum of x minus x bar into y minus y bar is equal to 80. So we get all these values and put these values in the formula of regression coefficient y on x. So our formula is byx is equal to summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar. and divided by summation x minus x bar whole square. So we put the values 80 because of this values is equal to 80 and divided by 10. Summation x minus x bar whole square is equal to 10. So 80 by 10 is equal to 8. So here regression coefficient of y on x is equal to plus 8. Sometimes in this term, listen carefully, sometimes in this term, student write the value of 0 because of summation x minus x bar equal to 0 and summation y minus y bar equal to 0. So sometimes a student multiply up both these values, summation x minus x bar into summation y minus y bar. But here, don't be confused. Here the value of x minus x bar into y minus y bar. First we map this column. After that, sum of all these values. Got it? So our next question is calculate the two regression coefficient from the data and find correlation coefficient. Okay, so in this question हमें three values find करनी है. Three values, that means what? Two regression coefficient. So we have two types of regression coefficient. One is a regression coefficient of y on x and second one is regression coefficient of x on y. And next we find the correlation coefficient. In our question, if we find the regression coefficient and also find the correlation coefficient, so first we find the regression coefficient. Reason is that आप question से आपको clear होगा. We are given in the value of x 7, 4, 8, 6, 5, and the value of y is 6, 5, 9, 8, 2. So here n is equal to number of terms 5. X bar is equal to summation x upon n, that means 6, and y bar is equal to summation y, that means sum of all these values and divided by number of terms is equal to 6. So we have x bar and y bar both values of 6, 6. Next, we map the table. So we write here the value of x given according to your question, and here we write the value of y. So first we find the regression coefficient of y on x and x on y both. So here we write the formula. First we write the formula. What is the formula? The formula is byx is equal to summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by what? 1 सेकेंड के लिए आप वीडियो को पॉज कीजिए और आइडिया लगाइए कि यहाँ पर क्या आता है. तो समेशन x minus x bar whole square. Second formula is what? dxy is equal to summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by what value? According to our variable of y. So we write summation y minus y bar whole square. So according to our formula, we map the table. So in our table, our third column is x minus x bar, next is y minus y bar, next is x minus x bar whole square, next is y minus y bar whole square, and our last column is summation x minus x bar and y minus y bar. Okay, x minus x bar and y minus y bar. So here x bar and y bar both values are 6. So 7 minus 6 1, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 8 minus 6 plus 2, 6 minus 6 0, 5 minus 6 minus 1. Y minus y bar, so 6 minus 6 0, 5 minus 6 minus 1, 9 minus 6 plus 3, 8 minus 6 plus 2 and 2 minus 6 minus 4. Here we get the column of x minus x bar and y minus y bar. Again, we find the square of x minus x bar. So 1 minus 2 whole square 4, 2 whole square 4, 0, 0, minus 1 whole square plus 1. Again, y minus y bar whole square. So here 0 minus 1 whole square plus 1, 3 whole square 9, 2 whole square 4 and minus 4 whole square is equal to 16. And the last column is multiply of both values. So 1 into 0, 0, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, 2 into 3, 6, 0 into 2, 0, minus 1 into minus 4 is equal to 4. Got it? So, sum of all these values, that means what? Summation x is equal to 30, summation y is equal to 30, summation x minus x bar 0, summation y minus y bar 0, summation x minus x bar whole square is equal to 10. 4 plus 1, 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Summation y is y minus y bar whole square is equal to 30. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 16, 30. And summation x minus x bar and y minus y bar, the value is 2 plus 6, 8 plus 4, 12. So here all these values we put in the formula. So first we find the regression coefficient of y on x. Here put summation x minus x bar, y minus y bar. So we are given 12 and x minus x bar whole square divided by 10 is equal to 1.2. Next value is bxy, regression coefficient of x on y. So summation x minus x bar, y minus y bar divided by summation y minus y bar whole square is equal to what? 12 upon summation y minus y bar whole square is equal to 30. So here we get values is 0.4. So keep in mind always, we have already seen in the properties of the regression coefficient. Both the regression coefficient have same sign. If one is positive, second is positive, one is negative, second is negative, opposite sign regression coefficient में नहीं होते. So here we find the correlation coefficient. In our question, find the correlation coefficient. So what is the formula of the correlation coefficient? R is equal to root byx into bxy. That means multiply of regression coefficient x on y and y on x is equal to what? So under root 1.2 into 0.4. So here we get the values of 0.693. In this example, we have two properties. Two properties, that means what? Both regression coefficients have same sign, and if regression coefficients are positive, then correlation coefficient is positive. If regression coefficients are negative, so after the solve करने के बाद value तो positive आएगी, but हम use क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर? Negative sign. Okay, so this is the example of the regression coefficient and regression line. प्लीज आप क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करके देखिए. इफ आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन होता है तो आप मुझे पर्सनल मैसेज कीजिए. गॉट इट?